Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to fix if your Instagram user is not found. So there are two different things that you might be wondering. One is that maybe you temporarily disabled your account and then you want to come back and it says user not found. And then another one is just on Instagram and you're trying to find somebody that says as user not found. So first, we'll cover the second one. If you go into your search and you're searching for somebody and it says that sorry, that user is not found, in most cases, what it does means is that the user has either disabled their account or blocked you from their account. So probably most likely that the user doesn't exist anymore, or make sure your typing is in exactly as it is. So if you're typing in the username exactly as their actual username is, make sure you have everything right so that you can make sure you can get to their account. And that's an important thing. Potentially, you might have blocked the person. And if so, you can go to your profile on the bottom right and then press the three lines on the top right and then settings. And you can see privacy. And you can go there towards the bottom. You can see block accounts. And you can see on here everybody that you block. And potentially, you're seeing username found because you blocked them. So you can go in here and make sure that they're not blocked. And if they are, you can unblock them. So another thing too is that if you find that your temporary disabled accounts and you want to go back and log in but it says user not found, try to log in with your phone number and your email address. If it still says user not found, unfortunately, the most likely reason is that Instagram has deleted that username associated with your account. And probably then, you will have to basically set up a brand new Instagram user account. So it says user not found when you're trying to log in, and again, you try your email and your phone number and whatnot and it still doesn't work, then at this point, you probably have to just create a new account. Unfortunately, this kind of sucks, but not that much to do there. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Let us know if you have questions in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like.